Guys, those YouTubers are gatekeeping. Those big YouTubers are gatekeeping. But I'm here for you. Here's how to make aesthetic intros for free, guys. You just need CapCut, guys. You just need CapCut, and then you like, oh my gosh. I just learned this last night, guys. I just learned this last night, and I just made my intro. So you're gonna press on templates. I kind of forgot at this part, but yeah, press on templates, and then you search in YouTube intro for girls, the aesthetic YouTube intro. Just search it up, guys. Guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel because these people are gatekeeping, and I'm giving it to you. This one is pro, so you have to have the paid version to use this. But look at how nice this is. This could be yours for, well, the paid version, but like you have them for like free, guys. Like on a serious level, let's look at this one. That's a little short one. Like that could be yours for free, guys, for free. So I'm giving it to you. Why you're not subscribed? Look at that. That could be yours. Let me just do a quick edit to show you how to do it. So you just press use template, and then first you're gonna like select a photo. I'm just using these as examples. Then you can select a video. Guys, subscribe and watch my videos because I'm here for you. And then another photo, like the people who you're subscribed to, are they giving you these secrets? No, you have to buy them. So give me a good value reason why you're not subscribed. Just look at that. I just made an intro in less than 5 minutes. In less than 5 minutes. Just like that. Guys, like on a serious level, that's all you have to do. And then you have to just export it, and you can use it. The sound is free. The sound is free, guys. Like the sound is free, and then you can just edit the words, so you can take those person's name off. You can put your socials and stuff like that, guys. Like this is legit. I can't believe like God led me to this last night, and I just made my intro. I've been on YouTube for so long, and I finally have an intro, guys. Like let me put my names just to show you. By the way, let me put subscribe, because you guys should subscribe to my YouTube channel, because these people are gatekeeping, and I'm giving this to you for free. Do you know how much for like a YouTube intro on Fiverr? Do you know how much they charge you for one? And I'm giving it to you for free, guys. Like just go on CapCut and do these steps that I just show you, and you have your own aesthetic YouTube intro for free, free, guys. And all I'm asking you, all your girl asking you to do is to subscribe, because guys, look at all these aesthetic intros you can have. That could be yours. Well, you'd have to pay for that one, but I mean, come on, guys. Did you know this? Nah, I bet you didn't know. But your girl got you. Like, your girl got you. Like, look at all these things that I've been hiding. I pull them out. These small YouTubers, big YouTubers, I'm sorry, we're coming for you. Why are you hiding? Why are you hiding these things? I'm gonna dig them up. I'm gonna give them to you. Wherever they hide them, I'm gonna find them. So subscribe to my YouTube channel to make better content, to make more engaging content, because guys, I'm here for you. Your girl is here for you. Like, guys, go down in the comment section and just support everybody that you see down there. Like, support me, guys. Support them. Support each other, and let's get to the top. Let's get to the top with these secrets, guys. And if you're not subscribed, like, I don't know how much time I said subscribe in this video. If you're not subscribed, you like, you need a slap, because you know what? I just look up how to make YouTube intro on YouTube, and they're not telling you this. They give you the hard way. The hard way when they give you the hard way when the easy way is there. They're not telling you this, and here I am telling it to you. For FREE, why are you not subscribed to MEE? Guys, like, legit, support the people who are giving it, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Have some more secrets. I'm not ready to spill now. Let me see how you react to this one first. If you how you react to this one, I'll if you don't, guys, I'll start selling these things, So subscribe now for more content like this, for more content that gives you the tea for free.